Hi everybody, it's Loretta, and I was coming at you with a new video for the Tsunami Rose Etsy shop design team. This time I'm doing a video on the junk journal kit number 16, trying to get this done because I'm about to make something pretty and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this kit. All right, anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you, and I go ahead and open this up, and we'll go ahead and show you the papers first. And this is a kind of a tight fit, you guys. There we go. All right, we're going to do the papers first, and then we'll come back and do the ephemera. Okay. So here we go. They're all very, very pretty. And I love that they also, a lot of them include some type of grid or lining for journaling. So pretty. And I'm also going to show you another alternative when we get through flipping through these papers. During Christmas time, I ordered some things online. And when they shipped them, they were wrapped in brown packing paper. So I took that brown packing paper and I printed it on 8.5 by 11 sheets. And I also printed these patterns onto those 8.5 by 11 sheets that I cut out of that packing paper. Love the butterflies on these. They're so pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. And then I'm just gonna very quickly show you the difference of what these look like on this packing paper. Aren't they pretty? Oh, upside down, sorry about that. Super cute though. I think I have this whole stack upside down. Love the butterflies. And see, even on the packing paper, the colors are muted, but they still come out so cute. So I just wanted you guys to see that you can always print those papers onto different colors, different types of paper, that sort of thing. So now we'll move this aside. We'll come on over here and we'll open this up and we'll get started on this side. Pardon me. We'll get started on this side and we'll start out with these. Are these not so cute? I love these ball jars. So cute. Those colors are just adorable. And what a great size for a tack. Really, really cute. And you've got, you could always print, both of these come on one sheet, so you could always print 6 of these and make yourself an entire calendar. And the same goes for these. Very, very nice. Absolutely love those. Then you've got these, which these could be folded in this way. I just left them like that because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. And then we have these really cute little file folders. So I just really like those. And then here's a larger file folder. So, really enjoy those. And I printed these on cardstock because I wanted them to have a little bit more oomph. Then we have these little tiny ball jars. And those come in all different colors. And y'all, I don't know about you, but I just think anything that's little like that is just so stinking cute. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but anyway. I just thought you guys would like to see what a junk journal kit looks like once it's cut out. So, who doesn't love a good postcard, right? Real cute. Ugh. She does such a good job designing these kits. Giving so many options. And then here's some tags. And then I went ahead and, you know, I went ahead and left one of them all the way. And I can either cut that apart or use it like it is, whichever one I want. And we have this little cute set of tags with the ladies. All very cute. And then we have this envelope with the tags inside. And then just for fun, I went ahead and decorated one. I just poked a hole, tied a small bow, put a little bauble on there. And I don't know what I did. Somehow I've got all this caught. I don't know. Now I feel compelled to fix it. Alright. So I just tied a bow, put a little bauble on there, and then tied the little 3 tags together. So, and that's probably what I did right there. Alright. I just thought it'd be fun to show you guys kind of a little bit about what they look like if you decorate them up just a little bit. Just put a little bauble here and a little bauble there. And before you know, you got it going on. We'll move over to this side right here. And you guys, we got some really cute telegrams. And I did go ahead and cut out, I don't know if you can see it, but I did go ahead and cut out those kind of rougher edges just to give it a little character. And then here we have envelopes. And then some of the envelopes have inserts like this one. And I'm not going to take all those inserts out, you guys. I don't want this video to be really super long, so... And I just printed these envelopes on just plain paper because I don't know, I might later want to go back and print those like on a, some linen paper. I've got some really pretty linen paper that I think would make some gorgeous envelopes. So, really cute there. And I always like to leave an envelope backwards so I could tell by looking through that that is an envelope. Go ahead and move this over to this side. Moving right along, we'll look at these. And I just made these into like little cards. So, and I can always cut those apart later, or I can keep them as cards. I thought they looked really, really cute. So I left them like that. Just love these. And then, last but certainly not least, we've got these. And I love these little birds. I love the bird's nest. Really, really cute. In fact, I'm going to put the bird's nest on top where I can look at it. Here's some library cards. And there was also one on the front of the folder, if you notice. That's where I put down the name of the collection. And the fact that I own it, so I can print it as many times as I want to. I can do whatever I want. And then there's these little seeds. And I could always turn these around and make little seed packets out of it. And in fact, I might do that on a couple of these, just because I think that would be super cute. Turn around and make it a little envelope like it has little seeds in it. Okay, so there you guys have it. That is the Tsunami Rose Junk Journal Kit number 16 on Etsy. That's printed out, cut out, and just wanted you guys to see what it looked like. All right, stay tuned for what I make with it. Until next time, you guys, have a great day. Bye.